In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit Google Forms in Google Classroom. We'll walk through a simple example so you can confidently complete and submit a form-based assignment. I'll point out what to look for on each screen and share a few tips to avoid the most common hiccups. Start by opening Google Classroom and landing on the home page. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account your school or organization uses. If you're in the wrong account, you might not see your classes or the assignment. On the home page, you'll see your class cards. Select your class. In this example, the class is labeled Sample, but yours will show your actual class name. Clicking the class card takes you inside the class where you'll see the main stream by default. Next, move to the Classwork tab at the top. Classwork organizes everything by topics and types, making it easier to find assignments and quizzes. If you don't see what you need right away, scroll or use the topic sections to narrow it down. Locate the assignment for the form quiz. In our example, it's called Sample Quiz. Click it to open the assignment panel so you can see more details. Now choose View Instructions. This takes you to the full assignment page. Here you can confirm the due date, any special notes from your teacher, and the attachments. You should see a Google Form attachment for the quiz. Open the Google Form quiz by clicking the attachment. The form will open in a new tab if your browser blocks pop-ups. Allow the new tab so the form can appear. At the top of the form, you'll usually see the title and a brief description. Required questions are typically marked with an asterisk, so make sure you answer those. Select an answer for the question shown. If it's multiple choice, click the option you want. If it's a different question type, fill it in accordingly. Take a moment to review your choice before submitting. If there are multiple questions, continue through the form and complete each one as shown. When you're ready, click Submit at the bottom of the form. After submitting, you should see a confirmation message indicating your response has been recorded. That's it for the form itself. Your submission is tied to the assignment through Classroom automatically, so there's nothing else you need to do in the Form tab. To wrap up, you can return to the assignment page to confirm you've completed the quiz. If your teacher has enabled immediate scoring, you may see a score or feedback after submission. If not, your score will appear once it's graded. And that's how you submit Google Forms in Google Classroom.